marshals are ready. And our drivers are ready. Tino, I'll call you fifth. Wait for your name. Eric, Jason, John, Nick, Tino, Jim, Michael, and Jake. All right, race number 4, all-fan run, VTA. Keep an eye on Pantana in this one. Over on the right-hand side, it's going to be that fluorescent orange through the middle. Nick with a little bit of a bobble there. Eric Falk in the second spot, trailing by 2.1. Valtico in third, 7/10 behind Eric. Followed by Jason and Jake to round out the top 5. VTA out on the course. Race number 5, you guys should be in tech. Race number 5, you guys should be in tech. Pantana out in front by 3.4, making 4.6 over Eric Falk with John Valentino in the third spot.
I got windows trimmed.
Mavrakis and Alton to round out the top 5. Here comes Yam.
I hate to say it, I had a
Everett
trip
and
body show
Valachi.
up once and that their bodies were crushed. So I unchanged them and then I was running out of paint at the same time. I went, and all I had was
Let's get a faster car, give them a little bit of room, and work together out there.
And I go, you know what?
All with the same goal, trying to be the most amount of laps in the least amount of time. Oh, one more back on the track,
I raced
they will clear.
decades, but I'm like, they're not racing. It's just,
Nick Pantana out in front in the orange Mustang across the start-finish line.
but, you know, it's pretty.
Number 48 down the backstretch. Pantana out in front by 11.9. He's dominating this class right now. Nick had a little bit of a tough time at USGT, but I like to say that Nick is a VTA specialist down here. 20 and a 509 the pace for Nick. I'm going to go a little bit of traffic through the middle. Jim Young has been making some progress out there, Coach. Young up in the 2 spot, Falk in third. Mavrakis and Everett to round out the top 5. Valtico, Alton, and Valachi. 2 minutes and 10 seconds left to go. Then 2:10 left on the timer here. Watch a little bit, caution a little bit. We're clear. Pantana 14.7 seconds out for a Yam. Yam 8/10 out for a full. Race number 5, 12 skill, 13.5. Race number 5, you guys should be through tech. Race number 6, start thinking about tech. Race leader across the start finish line, 15.4, back down to the 15.5. Down the back straight, ready to go. Yam in the second spot. Trailing by 16.6. Last time I forget, 16.4. Falk in third, 16.6. The battle is for the second spot with Yam and Falk separated by 1.1.
Go, hammer down, Eric.
Eric and Jim battling out for that second spot, separated by 2.2.
Go.
Second place, Jim off the end of the straightaway now over the right-hand side. Race leader coming up on Alton. The race leader coming up on, it looks like Valachi. X.
I don't think they have this.
All right, 30 seconds left to go.
But they put the banner.
Mavrakis in the 4th spot. Let's check in with Jason down the backstretch there. Jason is currently trailing by 4.7 to third place Eric Falk.
I like when they put these on a table.
So Jason can make up some ground here right at the end. 5 seconds left to go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Got 3 more to finish. Jim Yan, you're done. Eric Falk, you're done. Mavrakis is done. Pantana is now done. I'm waiting for 2 more. 2 more to finish. Waiting on Michael. That's a race. Everybody's done. All right, guys. This is going to be Nick Pantana taking the win 20 to 5-13, laying it down by 2 laps over Jim Yan, 18 and a 5 flat for Jim for second, 18 and a 5:01 for Eric Falk, third low photo finish for the 2 spot. Mavrakis in fourth, and Everett to round out the top 5. Oh, my Alton, Valachi, Valatico. Bring him in, shut him down, come back out at corner Marshall, guys. This is race number 5.